Okay, it says write the slope-intercept form of the equation of the line through the given point with the given slope. I like to label it first. Well, I'm going to go ahead and write the formula. Always start with the formula. Y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times x minus x sub 1. Here's what I found out in honors. They didn't write down the formula every time. And that's what was causing a lot of confusion. So here's your x1, y1. Here's your m. Now, this is y minus negative 3. This is why I harped that, and I'll show you in a second. 1 times x minus 0. You need to do this. What does minus a negative turn into? Positive. So it becomes y plus 3 is equal to, and we can go ahead and distribute here. 1 times x is still x. 1 times 0, 0. So all we have to do is write x. The coefficient still understood to be 1. So all you have to do is subtract 3 from both sides. So you get y equals x minus 3. There's your answer right there. Okay? Now, let's look at another one. Negative 1. Different point this time. All right, here's our formula. Y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times x minus x sub 1. Okay, substitute it in. Yep, here's your x1, y1. Here's your m. So this is y minus 0 is equal to negative 1 times x minus negative 3. That's going to change to a plus. Let's go ahead and drop the 0. Negative 1 times x plus 3 minus a negative. Distribute. Y is equal to negative 1 times x is just negative x. Coefficients understood to be negative 1. Negative 1 times 3 is negative 3, so we write minus 3. Are we in slope-intercept form? Yes or no? Are we? Yes. There's your answer right there. Some of them do come out that nice, pretty, and easy. All right. Let's look at number 3. Label it x1, y1, m. Y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times x minus x sub 1. I'm going to tell you now, if you don't have the formula and everything written down, I'm not going to help you on paper. So this would be y minus 3 is equal to 7 times x minus negative 1. Double sign. Let's get rid of it. Y minus 3 is equal to 7 times x plus 1. Distribute. The left stays the same. Y minus 3. 7 times x gives us 7x. 7 times 1 gives us 7. So all we have to do is move this 3, add 3 to both sides. All right, so we get y equals, what's 7 plus 3? 10 plus 10. There's your answer right there. Okay. See if you can set up number 4. See if you can set it up. Any questions? Plug and play with the formula. Can we get that far? Can y'all get to that? You with us, Blanca? You got it? Okay. Now this turns into minus a negative. We got 2 of them. So this becomes y plus 4 is equal to 2 times x plus 2. You distribute right here. Rewrite the left. I'm calling it the left because it's on the left side, the equal sign. So that
You never wrote -2 on the first time whenever you wrote up the equation. Oh, never mind. I'm not sorry.
2x plus 4 after you distribute. Now, all you have to do is subtract 4. So it becomes y equals 2x, 4 minus 4 is 0. So our y-intercept here would be 0. There's your answer right there. Y equals 2x. Okay. A couple of special cases. Look at number 5. If the slope is 0, remember it's a horizontal line and it's y equals a number. All you have to do is take this number right here. So your answer is y equals -4. No work needed. If the slope is 0, remember it's y equals a number. So it's just y equals -4. Does everybody see that? Only when the slope is 0. Now look at number 6. The slope is undefined. We've got a vertical line here. And all of those start x equals, what's your x value? -1. There's your answer right there. That's what you're doing. Those are two special cases there where you really don't have to do anything. Where you don't have to do anything there. All right, look at this. I want to show you what it's going to look like in Get More Math. And I'm going to assign this today. Now, you've got to read the directions. I like this because when I give you the other ones, I like this for this one. It says, write an equation for the line in point-slope form that passes through the following point and has the following slope. So all you're doing here is writing it in point-slope form. So the answer here would be y minus -4. But that turns into +4 equals the slope 7. I'm going to go ahead and use the parentheses. X minus -3, which turns into +3. That's all you're doing. Does everybody see that? Look at this one. Let's do it again. So this is y minus, -6, which turns into +6, is equal to 8, parentheses, x minus 7. There's your answer. But every now and then it'll say put it in point slope form. You would put it in point slope form. That's like this one. Let's see if we can get one on the next one. Y minus 4 equals -7 times x minus 4. Every now and then, you're going to have to do it all the way out. Still haven't got one. Y'all have to complete it like what you did here. You're going to have to complete those. Okay?